Okay, so what we got here? A war on Halloween? Is this a trick or a treat? Okay, so let's see, get to what's going on here. What happened recently, there was some exposure where some drugs was found on the street that appear to look like candy in this season. I want you to realize it's targeting young people. And so wherever you are in the world, you're going to realize that young people are a target. And so that's a part of one of the things that is putting this cancel on Halloween. The second thing is even they're canceling some Halloween activities in school because there's concern about, in terms of with the increase of violence that is going on even in the school system today. But my thought on this in terms of Halloween, the whole concept of Halloween, now I don't know where you stand with this. You got to stand on one side, especially as a Christian entrepreneur, and from that aspect, Halloween is an activity, an event that promotes evil practices and fear. So you got to take a stand somewhere on this, even with these their concerns about what they're thinking about in terms of where they stand on it, and all the things that they see danger happening to children and things like that. But Halloween on the whole, where do you stand? Where do you stand in this? Do you stand with promoting evil practices and fear, or righteousness? Let me know your thoughts on this. Is it about just protecting our kids, or the soul of men, women, and children from evil practices and fear?